Craig Ramsey, your movement expert here with your free coins for fitness weekly challenge. Complete or try to complete this movement for 10 spins and we'll move some coins your way. Front delt shoulder isometrics for 10 spins. Holding our game out in front of us at chest level, the elbows are slightly bent. And I'm going to gently squeeze the game with my palms, which is going to tighten up both my chest and my front delts. For 10 full spins, I'm going to hold that contraction. Great isometrics here. Get a bonus. Let's keep holding it if we can. Really feeling this in the shoulders and the chest. If you need to come out, roll the shoulders, stretch the back and the chest, and then go back into it and aim to finish 10 spins. Are you fortunate for that challenge, or are you fortunate that it's over? It's easier and more fun when we as a community do this together, which is why we want to hear from you and see you. Please post a video of you completing this challenge or doing your best to complete this challenge along with your player ID number, and we'll make sure you get some extra coinage. Don't know how to post a video? No problem. A simple comment underneath this video post of how the challenge went for you along with your player ID number will work for us. We're all about the honor system here, and we simply want to reward your spin for sweat efforts.